Hey, you guys. Literally me. I'm funny. Sometimes I buy stuff, sometimes I say stuff, and sometimes I do stuff. Hello, all my gorgeous goblins. How are you today? I've got another Killstar purchase. It's like welcome to the Killstar show, but not to be disappointing. I really only have 2 items to show you today. I am going on 2 trips very, very soon, so I'm trying to conserve some moolah. Really hard for me to do. Actually, I should really say I'm just not spending so much money on Killstar. I'm spending a shit ton of money everywhere else, so I just need therapy. So this purchase was actually from a sale they had where they had $15 items. They've had like 2 sales since then, but for some reason this package took forever to get here. So I'm just doing the video now. They've already had 2 more sales, including a really good Labor Day 30% off sale, which I did not partake in, even though I had a cart of $150 worth of stuff that I wanted to get. But I said no. So we're just gonna go over these 2 $15 item things that I did today. And I tried to do a little bit of a different show off instead of just like the split screen where I'm like trying the stuff on. I had Hubs kind of help me with doing some little in action type shots. So please enjoy those. We worked really hard at them. Okay, so again, not to be too disappointing, but this is literally 2 pairs of pajamas. I called them lounge shirts because I just walk around the house in them. Yeah, I'll sleep in them, but they're really for walking around the house because for some reason when I sleep, I like to wear pants, like leggings. I don't know what it is about me. My husband thinks that I'm crazy, but like I like to wear leggings. So in these videos, you're gonna see me with no pants on, but more than likely, I'm probably going to wear a pair of black leggings, like to actually sleep in them. So let's go ahead and unbag this bitch. Okay, so these are really, really, really cute. These are really, 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 really cute. The first sleep lounge pajama shirt, whatever you want to call it, I bought is the Haunted Pumpkin sleep shirt. Oh my gosh, this thing is so adorable. Of course, it's like spooky season, so I wanted to get something like this. And this year I'm like having like a ghosty like love affair. So since I saw this one had ghosties on it, I had to buy it. So let me first say that when these arrived and I opened them, they were a lot heavier than I thought they were going to be. Like really nice quality. I thought it was going to be that like really thin cotton stretch jersey that some of the Killstar lounge stuff I have, but these are actually like really, they're not like super thick to where they're uncomfortable, but they're definitely like of quality. So here's the first one. I'm going to put up the video so you can see. It's kind of like a long lounge shirt. It's got like that Henley thing down the front where it's like kind of fake buttons. But I got this one in a size medium because I wanted it to fit just like a little bit more snugly. But as you can see, it still has like some room. So these do run on the larger size if I would have to say anything about it. Super cute pattern, little jack-o'-lanterns with ghosts and spider webs. I mean, this is just perfect for this time of year. And if you're like me, any time of year. This was super cute. Again, I only paid 15 bucks for this, so I'm super happy with this one. The next one that I bought is called the Moonbow sleep shirt. This one, again, is super cute. It's still a lounge shirt, but it's like a different style. It has the kind of old classic, I call it Playboy pajama collar with the pocket. I was really surprised at how kind of thick and soft these were. I thought this was going to be a thin jersey, but it is a very super soft, comfortable, thicker, heavier fabric. So perfect for the fall and winter times. I'm going to put up the little video. Another mid-thigh type length. This one I did buy in a large. I wanted this one to be kind of like oversized, and as you can see, it does have a lot of room. It has the little collar with the white piping. There's also a pocket on the side But as you can see, it's a super adorable unicorn skeleton and kind of gray rainbow pattern with the Killstar logo on it. Of course, it has some moons, which I freaking love. These are super comfortable. I can't say enough about just laying around the house in them. They're so cute, so soft, so comfy. So for 15 bucks, you can't fucking beat that shit. I know, I apologize, super short video for you guys, but as always, I will link these below. I also have a $5 off coupon. If you want to try Killstar, just click that link in the description. It'll give you a coupon code. It gives you $5, then it gives me $5, and I can buy more Killstar shit to make more videos. Also, comment below and let me know which one of these you actually liked better, because I really do feel like there's no way you can pick between the two. They are just so fucking adorable. I mean, like, how can you choose, you know? That's all I have for you today, guys. If you could please like this video, it really does help me out. I already told you to comment, so be a good sport and do that for me. And if you could subscribe so you can follow all of my shopping antics, that would be even awesomer. I love you so much. I will see you on the next one.